Hey everyone, so today what I'm going to be working on is making some doors for this, for these nesting boxes. So traditionally most people what they do is they create doors that open down or open up. And normally people will have one or two levels of nesting, so usually they can open like this or something like that. We don't want to have three doors that open up like that. What we're going to do is we're going to make cabinets that open up outwards like this so that we can just check it all at once very quickly and be done with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build this a little bit weird. Just kind of bear with me. All right, so I'm gonna try to take it down. I only have a couple nails holding it in, so it should be pretty easy to come off. Just like that. It's pretty heavy. All right, so move everything out of the way real quick. That'll be fine. Alright, let's cut this thing. Alright, there's my 2 doors. I was just gonna mount with 3 people. Let me do it. The other one in. Once this is flat and I get the boards around here, what I'll do is I'll overlap one board, but nail it only to one side. And what that'll do is it'll create like I can only open this door first type deal. And we'll put a latch on there and it'll be good. Okay, so this is the finished product. For the most part, it's pretty secure. It's not perfect, but I don't think any pests are gonna get into this. This is a little makeshift lever I made, a latch. Basically, just opens like so. Collect the eggs. Not too bad for collecting eggs either. It's not as if we got to bend down too far, or hopefully they'll lay in these ones the majority of the time, but we'll see. Also have a nice little makeshift shelf up here, which I didn't really plan on, but it's there. So this one will have to be shut first, then this one, then the latch. Pretty simple. I don't know how long this latch will last for. These ones don't normally, I gotta trim these nails off too. But these ones don't normally, they give out after time because the screws weaken or something like that. But we can always make some kind of latching system or something like that. Or put another one of these over here to make it a little more secure. If something really wanted to get in here, it probably, there's not a lot of room in there. There's like an inch. So